Every day, chat and chart live during the New York session. Here, real traders share the raw truth, their mindset, technical analysis, and execution. This is where real traders show their skill set. Welcome to Tradin TV. This is your stage to shine.
Yo.
Yo, hi Salah.
Hi, how's it going?
Going good.
Oh, good. Before I say anything, everything we said last week on the stream happened. Every single thing. Gold got wrecked. We said when we get a closure below what level was it? 5,000, 5,100, some shit like that. When we get a closure below it, gold's gonna sink. That happened, and gold sank, and our analysis played through. We got to it like what was it? 10,000 pips, bro. And I flipped countless accounts, bro. Like you've seen it. I've been posting, bro. Like $100 to 10,000, $100 to 2,000, $100 to 1,000. Every single day, I flipped 2-3 accounts, and I'm just mad today because of that candle. Have you seen it, Kashif? When it dropped from
Yeah.
43 to 75,
But
bro.
that was really obvious, like because
That candle was nothing. It wasn't news. It wasn't anything. Nothing. Not fundamental, not technical.
yeah, I remember we were trading it at the last week with 5,020, and you were shorting for 49.60, and then you sold again at like 4,800 to 4,600.
Yeah.
There was just clean candles, like your daily candles dropping to take out this liquidity. But
Mhm.
right now, that bias played out. We all made good money.
Yeah.
Right now, like I'm in a swing buy on gold since yesterday because when it hit a bottom, I went into a silver buy at 67.
Nice.
I'm still holding this position. Like my targets are on the daily time frame. I'm expecting this daily candle to continue pushing up towards at least 75, right? So I'm like swing long on silver and
Mhm.
I'm swing long on gold. Like gold can act funny because it's not able to break above 4,500. Like if it would have been bullish, like it would already be above 4,500 yesterday New York highs.
Yeah.
So my buys on gold, like swing buys, like I'm in buys from 4,300. My first entry swing entry is 4,300 this area, and the another entry I have at 4,350, exactly at 4,350, right? So these are my two swing positions that I'm holding on gold and silver, and yeah, also on Nasdaq. Nasdaq, I'm in buys from right here, 24,050. So my stop losses are break even, but I'm just gonna hold these positions, because the Iran and US situation might be de-escalating.
Mhm.
So in that case scenario, gold can give like at least recovery. But as of now, I see like gold is struggling to break above 44.50, and
Mhm.
silver is struggling to break above $70. We see like this $70 mark on $71 to be precise, almost
Yeah, silver
70.7.
isn't breaking it. Yeah.
Yeah. So I think on silver I'm positioned very good. My entry is 67, which
Mm.
gives me a room of if it drops and takes a pullback. But eventually, like I do believe and I do think like based on this price action, if we break and close above $71 on silver, we can expect like $75, $80. Whereas like I'm scalping day trading on on my challenges. But these positions, I'm just gonna let them run.
Mm-hmm. Perfect. Uh,
You, what are you doing?
I'm looking for re-entries on gold longs, to be honest. I was in really good positions, but it took me out on. It didn't even take me out on break even, bro. It slipped the shit out of me when it dropped. So I was so mad because it slipped me out, bro. And there is no one, no broker, nothing on earth that could stop slippage from a 1 minute candle that dropped over 700 pips. So it slipped me, took me out. I was in massive profits, but who cares? I'm waiting for a re-entry on gold, and I'm targeting 4,500 as a first TP, and then 4,700 as a second TP.
Yes, yes,
700
and
is the most important level we have, not even
yes,
100.
4,700 is basically your flip on the 4 hour. Like you see,
Yeah,
like this bearish
exactly.
trend. If we break above 4,700, then it would be a flip on this 4 hour trend, and
Hmm.
eventually then it can bring, like, 5,000. We might see 5,000 and 6,000, 5,500 back again, because I
Bro,
think this.
we're going to 5,600. We're going to 5,600. Whether it's within this wave, if it's this bullish wave that we're currently in, or if we get a different one, if this bullish wave doesn't pull through, because I don't know, I'm personally just going longs now. I'm avoiding sells.
Yeah,
However, um, honestly, I don't see it as strong yet, um, because we're not going to have any real moves or any certain moves before we get a decision on the Iran American war in the Middle East. Because market doesn't know what's going to happen, and market usually prices in the move way before the headlines. So basically, without a clear vision on what's going to happen about the war, if it's going to get de-escalated, if they're going to start hitting each other with rockets again after the 5-day ceasefire, then markets is going to take a dump again, another
yeah,
dump, basically.
exactly, exactly.
They decide that, they're good, that's it, they want to actually come to agreements, then gold is going to move higher, silver is going to move higher, all metals are going to move higher, and stock market, everything's going to recover basically. All right. um Let me tell you why, in my personal point of view, the war is gonna get de-escalated very soon. Or even if it doesn't get de-escalated soon, what's gonna happen is the Strait of Hormuz is gonna get open soon. They're gonna come to an agreement at least for that, because that is basically destroying the financial system in the world. Everything is collapsing because of oil prices, and then you got gold, silver, everything else in the world dropping, and oil is just skyrocketing. So basically, they need to fix that, and they're forced to fix that. The U.S. said they're gonna bomb Iran's power plants, electricity, all that shit, and then Iran said they're gonna bomb the whole electricity grid for the Middle East, for all the countries in the Middle East, which is obviously unacceptable. So the states, the U.S. has to come to an agreement with Iran in order for
Exactly.
it to be
No,
over.
like, I don't think like US is gonna you know delay the peace talks, because technically, fundamentally, like, they cannot afford this war, because rising crude oil prices doesn't mean just oil prices. Like, it has an effect on your import and export, and
Everything,
uh,
bro.
yeah,
Inflation, everything.
prices. Higher prices mean, like, more more expensive goods delivery across the
Yeah.
state, and that's gonna increase inflation. And I don't think, like, they can afford the inflation right now. So there has to be some negotiations. And in that case scenario, like, I think gold and silver, they can take some relief, and you might see a recovery. But as you say, like, we expect anything from Trump, like that old man, like, is You never know. Like he wakes up and he thinks like let's shoot him some tweet and let's make some money. You never know. So you're
Mhm.
always gonna have to be prepared for anything.
Yeah, bro, it's crazy to be honest. With this, with what's happening in the market, I'm not trading on any serious accounts right now. All I'm doing is I'm using small accounts, I'm flipping them. I'm just flipping accounts, like nonstop. I'm even doing like boot camp, just teach people how to flip tiny accounts, $100, $200 account to 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, and it's all my results. Like, have you seen my recordings, Kashif? The shit I've been posting.
Yep, I've seen. I've seen.
Yeah, I'm not risking my own capital and money on this market, to be honest. I'm sorry. This market is ass. It is trash. Excuse my language, but I cannot accept this market. It is disgusting. So all you can do is flip accounts, scalp here and there. If you're a swing trader, then yeah, okay, you're used to this. You're just gonna have some precise entry with good risk to reward ratio. Has to be a very fucking far stop loss, at least for me, in my point of view on gold. Your SL has to be on 3,900, and it's never gonna get hit. You're gonna reach 5,600 if you have your SL 3,900 to swing gold.
But
Yeah.
yep.
Um, Saying if you want to swing it, you need to have this SL. Um, Nothing else is safe. And as you can see, the Asian market has been shorting gold. Okay, they've been selling gold in Asia nonstop, um, which is crazy.
True. Yeah, like even in gold, like right now, I'm just in buys like from this 1 minute, 4400.
Yeah, bro, 4,400 was very strong. It's trash now. It doesn't do shit now. It's not even a strong level anymore. I have I got in from 4410. Um
You see these swings on on my screen.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, so silver, where is silver? YAG USD. So silver, like this is my swing position. I opened this Asian session at $67. I usually
Beautiful.
just use some risk. So I'm just expecting it to break above 71. If it does, then I will be golden on this.
Beautiful.
Uh,
Kashif, can you give them a buy setup on gold now? We can give them a buy
uh,
setup.
yeah. Because it's going, yeah, it's obvious. Like it's gonna
Yeah.
break above London highs. Let's see. Let's talk about a buy setup. This London session, like I did a London session live with my community, and honestly, I was in a bullish bias this London, and
Mm-hmm.
I took a loss right here. Like I was buying right here, and then eventually what
Can't see
happened?
your screen.
Uh, just let me know when you see it.
I gave Kashif, I gave a signal. I took with my community. I gave a buy uh, during Asian session. Okay, do you know how many pips we got? TP1 was 460 pips and TP2 was 700 pips during Asian session.
Yep.
It's crazy. Still can't see your screen.
Yeah, I just shared it just now. Trading view. But gold is gonna go buy, guys. I'm
Yeah, yeah,
telling
yeah.
you.
You can buy. You
I-
can buy gold.
I'm telling you, without even charts, like just close your eyes. Like I'm in a buy. I've just showed you guys. I'm in a buy. And if you look at the order flow, if you look at the structure, every time
It's
frame
a
is telling
blind
buy.
buy, bro. It's a blind buy.
Yeah, it's a blind. Exactly, man.
I'm not gonna lie to you. That candle is still paranoiding my head, bro. I was on the charts, Kashif. 1 minute candle. 1 fucking minute, bro.
1,000 pips.
Bro, 1 minute. Like that just destroyed my brain cells.
Yeah. So gold right now, like for a scalp, although guys, like I am in a swing buy, right? So for me, like I'm taking less risk and I'm opening swing positions on gold. Like at the moment it goes down, like as an opportunity for me to buy, right?
Mhm.
I don't care, like, because I have enough capital for it to, like, even if it drops like 4100, 4000, 3900, I would happy to be buying gold, right? Because eventually you're gonna see like a v-shaped recovery on your high time frame. It's gonna take some time. Yeah, like it's gonna scare a lot of retailers right here, but eventually gold and silver, they're gonna go up. And if you, hey Salih, like look at this, man. Silver dropped from $120 to $60.
Yeah,
That is 50% of retracement. What do you expect after a 50% retracement, and on such an asset like which is a commodity, which is a safe haven?
I
Like
expect a skyrocket basically.
yes, but it's all about patience. Like it's all
It's a
about
patience
patience.
game, bro. Like I've
Yeah,
been telling everyone, all the connections I have, the big investors that I deal with. Um, Honestly, this is a game of patience. Wealth is built during these times, okay? If you want to actually take benefit of the whole cake, not just a small piece, then you have to
true.
be patient. You have to set and forget because now you cannot do anything if you actually want to benefit and be in positions holding gold to 5,600 plus 6,000, silver to $150. You need to be patient, you need to be detached if you want to make money in trading. Most simple answer is detach yourself from the money. That's it. This is how you're going to become profitable. If you don't
Sick.
consider that money actual money, you know, you have $1,000 in your account. You're not gonna be like, but if I lose that thousand, I'm fucked. I'm screwed. This and that. No, you need to forget that it's $1,000 and treat it as numbers. You don't treat it as real money. You don't say this and that consequence is gonna happen if you lose it. You just have to trade without the money aspect, and
Exactly.
you're gonna unlock all the fucking rewards. You're gonna make a shit ton of profit.
True, true.
Yeah.
Even
Like I
just to add on this, like even your Warren Buffett says, like financial markets is a device to transfer money from impatient to patient.
100%. You
It's a,
guys
it's a
need to say our
device.
word.
Yeah.
Yeah.
For example, like if I'm not patient and I'm just selling and buying and selling and buying, even like right now, the high time frames are telling me to just shut up and just buy. This is what the high time frames are telling me, right? So I'm just like, I'm just avoiding this lower time frame noise, and honestly, I see like every drop you see on gold right now is a good buying opportunity. As long as your 4 hour candles are bullish, your 2 hour candles are bullish, your 1 hour candles are bullish, any drop you see is an opportunity to average down.
100%.
And honestly, like today is very critical. I see like today is very critical because yesterday price section was not able to break above 4500, right? Today the price section is struggling with low volume, and there's a de-escalation situation happening. So today New York session and post New York session uh is critical, because I think like if we get a closure above 4500, your Nasdaq, your silver, your gold, all will be pumping. But
Mhm.
today, if we are not able to close above 4500, then we can expect gold to like go back deeper and take just like take out all the retail buyers right here at 4400, 4300. Just rag them out, and then it just goes back up again. This could be a possible scenario for which I'm prepared. Like mentally, I'm prepared. Like if it drops, I know like how it's going to be dropping, how the retailers will be uh, getting out of the market or will be taken out of the market, and then that would be an opportunity for me to add more, more longs, like from 4200, 4100, 4000, 3900 even. Like
Mm-hmm.
if we look at news, we have non-farm productivity in 9 minutes. But other than that, like today, like the economic calendar is clear. We don't have any volat. Oh no, we do have a volatile news.
After
We
one
have,
hour.
yeah, we have manufacturing PMI,
Mm-hmm.
US, and then that news is like 15 minutes after NYSE open, and in 8 minutes we have non-farm productivity. So let's see. And right now, like for the guys like who are not in the buys, like I would suggest like just relax, sit back and wait, because look at this 5 minute range since London open right here. Okay, look at this range. Price action since London open, it's not breaking above, it's not breaking below. It's just accumulating or consolidating in this range. So what do you expect out of this? You expect two things. One is you expect a manipulation to the downside out of this accumulation, and then you expect a distribution back to the upside, right? This could be this could be a trade setup. And at the same time, if you look at the left hand side, you do have some supporting demand zone that can support your that can support my this idea on accumulation, manipulation and distribution to the upside. So this is how I'm expecting the price to be delivered in NY, is the first scenario. The second scenario is we just consolidate right here and just without manipulation breaks above. These are the only two scenarios I am focused on. Like I'm not, no, I'm not looking for sells. I'm looking for these two possibilities to play out.
100%, bro. What is this? Look at it. What is this disgusting shit, bro?
Yeah, this goes up and goes back down, goes up and goes back down.
This
Whoa.
is
Let's take in some questions from the audience. I'm also on buys. Kashif, please try to fix your voice. I guess my voice is clear now. I'm also in a buy. Gold big bounce still not on the cards. Should wait. Yes, true. Bank Nifty, yes, that's true. The big bounce is still not on the cards, because if the big bounce would be on the cards, like we would already be trading above 4500, right? It
yep.
makes sense. Like yesterday you had a low at 4100, then you had a high at 4500. Now price action is just ranging below this, right? It's technically, like on the 30-minute time frame, it's a big consolidation from 4300 to 4500, I would say, or 4450, right? This is like a big consolidation on the 30-minute time frame. So just sit back and see, wait, let the price section show the card. That how I would put it. Let it show the cards, what it's want to do, and then you plan. And you see how the price action is respecting this 4400. Like every time it goes below or it taps into 45 4400, acting as a support, right? Let's talk about Nasdaq. So Nasdaq, like as you see, this is my swing trade running. And then today in London session in my Discord community, we marked out this demand zone of this bullish leg, which was like at 60% retracement. So when it tapped, there was a rejections on the 1 minute. I got into these buys, and we targeted precisely 1 to 2 on this, like right at this liquidity. And as you see, like after taking out this liquidity, structure liquidity, it dropped back to this zone again, right? Took out these lows right here, and now it pushed up after tapping into this 5 minute order block or demand zone on Nasdaq. Right here, you see it pushed up, then it pulled back into this wick, got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rejections, and now you see the Nasdaq going up. And to the upside, like what do we have? We have like this trend line liquidity right here. And what do we expect? Like if it breaks above this, bam, London highs, right? So keep an eye on that as well, right? Man, is that a drone? Is that a drone like flying above your house? What was that? Nice. Like Saleh, I have took a break from flipping small accounts, honestly,
Why?
because of this price action. Before I used to, deposit like $50, $100, and flip. Like the last couple of days, last week, like the volatility, like man, my mind like was not able to coop up with that. So I just instead just deposited some funds and said like I'm just gonna play some swing now.
Bro, for me, this volatility is what makes me flip. Like, it makes it so much easier, I promise you.
Yeah,
You just need to be right. You just have to be on the right fucking side.
true, true.
Let's see. If it breaks this shit, it's gonna drop to 4375 and then 4350. If it breaks it. If it
Four
doesn't,
three, yeah,
yeah, 75 and then 50.
4350. Yep, this zone right here.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, let's see. That would be good. If it drops and wicks out right here, 1 minute rejections, we're gonna plan a buy.
Yeah. Look at the 30 minutes, Kashif.
And that's that's goat shit. Like, there's a wake up and wake down. Nothing. Like, I see nothing unless there's a candle with a strong body. Like right now, there's just wicks. Like, I don't like wicks. Like wick to the upside, wick from the bottom. It's just buyers and sellers like stuck in this zone. So honestly, like I don't want it to drop. I just want it to just push up from here. The structure on Nasdaq indicates a drop, even on gold. I see this 1 hour candle right here. We have a top wick, and it might go to fill this wick. That would be your zone, Saleh, 4,500, 4350 and 4370. Shit. Damn, no, yep. I'm out at break even on my this 4400 position right here. Yep, I'm out at break even. So I'm gonna wait for another entry now. Look at this drop now. Like it's already 4370.
It's stupid.
Right, this liquidity wick.
Liquidity's taken.
Yep, I'm opening a buy right here after this liquidity took out. Precise buy, another buy right here on the 1 minute. Yeah, I'm just gonna show my MT5 as well. And a precise buy on this. Let's go, boys. Yep, nice. Okay, stop loss is to break even now. Come on. I'm gonna leave the stop loss below this wick. Like honestly, I'm gonna leave it below this wick right here.
Yeah, better be
Liquidity.
safe.
Yeah, it's just gonna give it a little bit of room. It will be my target will be like a 1 to 8 hour. I don't know if you can. Okay, stop sharing. Share your entire screen. Let's go. All right. Yep. So this is my position, boys. Uh, my first trade, I it ran good. Like it ran almost like about 340 points. Now this liquidity wick. After this liquidity taken out, I just went into a buy. This is my stop loss right here, and just gonna target up till this high right here. Let's look at this on trading view. Yeah, if I get like actually my entry is right at this bullish flip of the candle.
It's gonna drop, Kashif. It's going to
Yeah, it's gonna drop because oh fuck
it's going
no
to 3,300.
shit
It's going
damn.
3,300, bro. It's just it's consolidating, but on bigger time frames. Um, look at the 4 hour. You have a 4 hour range now.
Mm,
4 hour range is from 4,425 all the way to 4,325, 1,000 pip range. And then on the 15 minutes, on the 30 minutes, we're targeting the liquidity sitting at 4,250.
yep, could be.
Sometimes we have to adapt. We don't get the deals we want, setups we want, buys we want, but we just go with the flow, whatever the market is presenting us,
True.
unfortunately. Like, you know, we're back to this where fundamentals and technicals both agree on something, yet the chart agrees on something by its own. Technicals tell you that it's going up, that's it, nonstop, because it already grabbed more than the liquidity needed to fucking skyrocket nonstop. And
Mm,
fundamentals as well. But you got the bigger guys, uh, stupid Trump and his dogs, and yeah, those clowns. You see, look at that,
Whoa.
bro. Look
Mm,
at that crazy shit.
mm, man, nice. Like a
I
very
was,
small SL on this.
yeah, bro. It's stupid. It doesn't make sense, but I'm in cells.
Nice, nice,
Yeah,
nice,
I
nice,
got
nice,
it.
nice.
I got in at
Congratulations, nice.
4,390. Yeah, thank you, bro. That's because honestly, when you look at it, it's disgusting. It shouldn't drop, but that's it. Market wants to drop, so I'm just gonna drop with it. I can't do anything else.
See, this is the last zone
Thing is,
on
we
the.
can get we can get perfect buys. I think before the live ends, we can get in some nice buys. Uh,
Mm,
from about 4,350 or 4,325.
4350 looks good.
It's
4350.
either 350 or 325. And if you want me to be like say what I feel personally, what I feel is that it's going to 4,300 flat, then go up.
Take out this Asian lows right here.
Exactly. Take out the low,
Hmm.
form some liquidity and then skyrocket.
True, true. Yeah, but like it makes sense. Like it makes sense on the 30-minute time frame because after yesterday push up to 4500, we just consolidated. This was your swing high and that was your swing low, right? So technically it's seeking liquidity. So that is technically like below the Asian lows at 4300.
Yep.
That could also be something to observe and look at for today.
Mhm.
Like on my swings, like half of my profits are wiped out already after this drop. Like
It's
60% like of my profits are wiped out.
yeah, bro. It's pretty nasty to be honest.
Yep,
Very bad. But I do believe we're gonna make all that profit back again.
true. Yep.
That's our job as a day trader, bro. Lose money, lose money, lose money, and then make a big fat paycheck in one day, cover back your losses, and make some profits.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you always gotta risk it for the biscuit. People that are playing it safe shouldn't even trade.
Shit.
Listen, let's set a buy limit at 4,300.
4,300. Yep.
It might not go there, but let's set the limit there at
Even
4,000.
right now, Sali, like honestly, I'm a swing buyer right now. My stance like is swing buyer, so I'm in a buy from right now from this zone like 43.65. I'm in buys. Uh, and with a very small position because it's swing on and 4,300 as well. Like if it goes to 4,300, like I'll be adding more.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm. But this limit, guys, it's on the chart right here from 4,300. Something like this, and
It wants to tap retest 4,400 or 4,390 and maybe continue dropping. Maybe.
true. Yeah, yeah. If you get a rejection,
Yeah.
because the order flow would still be bearish. Let's see. Yep. Let's see how it goes.
Let's go.
Yep, it's moving. Are you in buys?
Yeah.
Let's go. Man, we just need this trend. Like, if it takes out NY highs, like, just fucking flip accounts, you know?
The second look, the second we break out of, let's say, the second we reach 4,450, I promise you, it's just gonna be like skyrockets.
Yep.
The
Yep.
second it breaks that, and bro, I'm gonna
W-
full margin like 2,000,
which level? 4-3
4,450.
4,450. Yep.
When it
Man.
breaks that, it's gonna be confirmed.
Yeah.
Like we'd be out of this shit hole.
Yeah, it's right now it's rejecting this swing or high.
4,387. Yeah.
Well, it's like if you went into this trade, like, make sure to, go risk free on this, right?
Hmm.
Go risk free on this if you want. There'll always be more opportunities. But, like, technically speaking, like, it tapped into this zone after we took out this liquidity. It went deep, and now, like, it's taking a rejection from this lower high swing point, right? So technically, like, in
I
order
think
for it
it's a
to go
fake
up,
out.
like,
I don't know why. Do you agree?
hello.
Could you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
I said I just kind of see this as a fake out
Yeah.
on bigger time frames. It's just a fake out. But this look, the problem we have is this hour needs to close above, like it should close above for 4,400.
4,400. Yeah,
Yeah.
there's just 10 minutes left.
Yeah. If
Um,
it closes
yeah.
above 4,400, beautiful.
Yeah. No. No. If like, look at this. Like, on the 1 minute time frame.
I
Uh,
see it. I trade 1 minute, and then I look at it on a 5 minutes too. It's perfect. It tells you it has to go up.
but
That
when you
is
look at
what
the 1 hour,
technically.
and that bam.
Yeah, 1 hour. 1 hour is just scary.
Yeah. Anyway, let's see. Let's see how it goes.
Oh fuck! We have a new 4 hour candle as well in 9 minutes. Fuck. Damn.
Dang.
I don't like new 4 hour openings, bro, because it
Yeah.
goes wild.
It's closing bearish. Let me just remove everything from the charts. It's closing bearish, and it's closing within a range.
Hmm.
One thing I like about, like, it's taking a reaction from this bearish candle
Yeah,
engulfing the this bullish candle engulfing this bearish candle. It's actually tapping into this, and on the lower time frame, it's tapping into the lower time frame PD array. Now, 1 minute is what we need. Like, we need a closure above 4,400.
that is all we need.
Yeah. If any rejections you see from 43.90, just break even your stop loss. Like, I'm gonna just break even my stop loss from right now, because it shouldn't be giving you this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rejections at 43.90. So my stops
Yeah,
at break even, boys. I was lucky to catch this low at 43.68. It ran for like uh 180 pips. I'm just gonna move the stops to break even based on these rejections coming from this swing point, or you can say market structure shift 43.87.
mhm. Holy shit. Saudi Arabia declares that it's joining Israel and USA in the war on Iran. And UAE, Qatar, and Bahrain are also going to join the war.
Why don't they just drop a nuclear bomb on each other? Like,
No,
why are they just fighting like kids? Like, what are they doing?
like, just end this shit quick, fast. Just like nuke the
Yeah,
fuck out of each
like
other. And that's it, bro.
get just get done with it, man. Like, what are you playing with our emotions and all that stuff?
Bro, just you know what? Just bring back Sleepy Joe. Get him an ice cream
Yeah,
cone, and he'll fucking give
yeah.
you like 10,000 pips a day. Just get back Sleepy Joe. That motherfucker was like a
Bring him
beast,
back.
bro.
Bring him back.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
we kind of like, yeah, it's
Like,
you know, like it is.
stop rejecting. Stop rejecting. Fuck. Stop rejecting.
Let's,
One more rejection, I'm gonna lose my brain.
yeah, man, my stops break even.
What's your entry?
My entry is 40, 4368,
Okay.
4368.50.
Okay, good.
You see, like after this 1 minute bullish closure, that's where my entry is.
Mm-hmm. It's clean. It's very clean, and it has to at least tap 4,400. Like, don't reject 4,390. Reject 4,400. I'll be happy, but not 4,390.
Mm. Man, whoa. Everyone a 1 to 1, 1 to 2, 1 to 3. At least like give me 4405. Give me to this rejection area.
Look, like I'm a bearish trader. I love shorting, but now I cannot even short. Like, there's nothing to short here, so I'm forced to just go longs. And I want,
Let's
you
go.
know what kind of
Let's
longs I want? I want longs like the ones we had in January, like nonstop. It's just like nonstop. It just wouldn't stop. That shit was crazy. Like, we witnessed history with that shit, bro.
silver. What's silver doing?
Mr. Kashif, we have 5 more minutes for the
That's
moment of truth.
moment of truth. Let's see. Like 80% of my trades that starts to reject at a PDRA or a market structure shift, they goes back to break even. I'm telling you a fact. 80% of my trades that run like this towards market structure shift, even if I'm getting 1 to 2, 1 to 1, whatever, if I get rejections, like 80% of the times I've seen break even on those trades. Now let's see what we get like on this one.
Bro, we're gonna get a new 4 hour candle, an hourly candle that's closing like shit, and it's just rejecting 90. What do you expect the new 4 hour to do? It's gonna take us out, drop a little tiny bit, and then just skyrocket. Literally. So I think me, you, and Anand could make some great team.
Yeah, exactly. 100%.
Yeah, maybe we're gonna have a collaboration and do something like
Live session Yeah.
Yeah, live or boot camp, whatever shit like that would be nice.
Where are you situated, Saleh?
I'm currently between Jordan and Spain.
Okay, Spain.
Yeah,
Nice.
I'm in Barcelona.
It's
Even
nice.
though I'm a Real Madrid fan, I don't like.
So, are you planning to visit Dubai anytime soon?
Yeah, when shit is over, I'm gonna visit. When we don't got rockets. I mean,
Okay.
well, we got rockets in Jordan as well, but then in Dubai, it's not that. It's just the airport. Like it's safe. I got family there, and it's safe. Nothing's wrong there. But
Hmm.
the airport is a problem, and you don't want to go and get stuck there for like a month.
True, true, true. No, just hit me up like when you're there.
Yeah, we'll visit Khalid as well.
True. Yeah, the man.
1 more minute.
$30.
This is gonna decide a lot. We're either gonna end the live stream happy or we're gonna be sad.
Yeah, no, if it goes break even, I'm done, man.
Yeah, same. Three, two, one.
It just
No, 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 no. Up, you
yeah,
little bad boy. Up.
I'm just I'm just switching
Up,
from my MT5 to trading view, right?
yeah.
Crazy.
Up. Oh, shit. One
Nah, I
foot.
guess. Yep,
Yeah,
we're done, I guess.
so it's dropping.
Oh, 77 ran like 77.87 ran like yeah, man. I'm just gonna call it a session.
Mm-hmm.
Still hasn't hit break even though. There's this 1 minute. But anyway, let's wrap it up.
Yep. All right, bro. Have a good one.
Bye, Saleh. Take
See
care.
ya. Take care.
See ya.
Bye.